at the War Eagle Mill. And this is an old mill. I guess they did a thing on it on PBS. It's in Arkansas. There's an old mill. And, well, I don't have much to say about it. It's just an old mill. And I thought I'd stop here and check it out. It seemed kind of nice. So they have this miniature little museum upstairs with some cash registers. Definitely down with the brass cash registers. This place has been here since like the 1880s. This is not the original building. It has been rebuilt. It is located on the bank of a river, obviously, and this area is prone to flooding quite bad. So this building has been flooded out numerous times over the years, and I don't remember if the original one burned or flooded, but this is basically a, recreation of the original building. And they sell a bunch of, kind of arts and crafts, country stuff, cookies, granola, baking, baked goods, toys, some, cups, some goodies here and there. Hopefully they got some Christmas music playing, and hopefully I can kind of talk over it. Thank you. Alright, hopefully I did not get any music on the video, because YouTube's does not like music, apparently. Music's a no-no. Anyway, so the last time it flooded, I think it was like 2017, and it flooded like up to where I'm standing, like literally up to where the downstairs windows are here. I don't know if this is operational or not. It looks like it might be. Looks like it might actually be functional, but like I said, this is a recreation, so there is a place here called the War Eagle Cavern, which is closed indefinitely. I was kind of hoping to see the cavern. It's probably much more interesting than this mill is, but whatever. Gotta work with what you got. This place is kind of in the middle of nowhere. It's near the town of Springdale, Arkansas. It's just east of Springdale, but it's definitely out in the boonies a bit. Definitely an authentic old bridge. I think they have a festival here every year. Where they have all kinds of, you know, old-timey things on display. What's up, Elon? See? Elon had to take a job as a ranch hand out here because y'all booted him off Twitter. See how you guys are? It's terrible. Just terrible. That's cool. An original Willys. I don't see that every day. Tesla and a Willys at the War Eagle Mill. Interesting combination of vehicles today. Anyway, that's my little mini adventure for today. It is a pretty building though. Looks nice. I guess the foundation is masonry, so I'm sure that helps in the flooding situation, because yeah, I mean, it flooded up to like here. I saw some pictures of it.